Welcome to a world of soft purrs and gentle giggles. Let's take a moment to smile with these adorable cats and babies. The little human and the kitten sipping together. This tiny moment of love is everything. He's not just eating, he's sharing love in every bite. Two little hearts sharing milk and a moment of pure peace. A mama cat introducing her kitten to the human baby, heart melting.
Why are you bringing your babies to Blossom?
Jump, jump, jump.
Nothing beats a baby laughing while their kitten tries to join the fun. Pure joy right there. The cat is getting its first baby-style nap.
You know you don't have to be that quiet. You're not gonna wake him.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
The cat's having the time of its life. Her fingers, not so much. The baby keeps trying to grab the towel, but the cat is sitting there like, nope, this is mine, such a little boss.
Are you giving her kisses? Yeah. Is she your best friend?
The boy takes his kitten to bed. Mom wonders why, and he just kisses it. So
Why do you have
cute.
that cat in my bed? Because why?
My word, her pet me.
She's not petting you. So where's the other one?
The girl is singing to her cat and it's just sitting there, listening. So cute.
You make me happy when skies are gray.
Bedtime cuddles with his kitten to adorable.
Gentle, just pet her neck. Just pet her neck.
I thought you said Strawberry didn't want to go on the bike.
The boy's ready to play, but the cat's hiding. Classic scaredy cat moment. The girl and her cat are racing down the hallway. So funny and adorable. The boy and his cat are wrestling like pros. Who knew kittens were so sneaky?
Crossroads! That is in moment! Stormer! Kick out! What?
The kid can't resist the cat's tail and the cat is just staring like, are you serious right now? His laugh says it all. That kitten just made his day.
It'll be okay. Oh, Strawberry. It's sticking out my face. Oh, baby. It's okay, scare me. Here.
Look at you.
Mas ele quer a mamãe dele.
Eu não vou dar pra ela. Ela sempre bate
His
no
laugh
cu.
says it all. That kitten just made his day.
Vou.
The hesitation and care here. My heart can't handle this level of sweetness. The way he's so careful. My heart is melting from this tiny act of love. We're at the end of the video. Hope you loved it. Leave a comment, share your thoughts, and spread the cuteness by sharing this video.